On today's episode of WatchJRGo, we are back at the abandoned mini resort. You can probably tell it's the middle of the night, and we're moving in today. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and like I said, today we are here at the abandoned mini resort with a truck and a trailer load full of basically everything we need to move in, because we had to kind of move in today in order to keep working because the camper is gone. So today we're bringing in a bed, we're bringing in a fridge, we're bringing in a stove, we're bringing in a microwave, we're bringing in all the stuff to go with it. We'll be able to take showers. We will be able to play the arcade machine. I don't know. Let's get outside and start unloading stuff. Alright guys, $1,200 later, we got a fridge and a very, very specific one. Uh-oh, look what happened. The little thing is gone. We'll have to call him and see what's going on with that. Anyway, we got this pretty cheap at one of those scratch and dent appliance stores. You know, it worked. It's very few fridges will work for what we're doing. So cabinet system has panels that go around this thing, and there's cabinets that go above it. We are changing the cabinet color now. We ordered them in a gray instead, and it had to be a 30-inch counter depth fridge, which is really, really hard to find and more expensive than most 36-inch fridges. That's what we learned today. But we got a fridge, it's plugged in. Let's push it back and we'll have it powered up. One problem down, we've got a fridge and it's running. We threw the oven in here, got it unwrapped, and of course we've got our microwave here. We got some blankets for today, temporary shower curtain, all that good stuff, because the glass door, well, we still didn't bring it. We're gonna bring it next week. But we got a microwave, everything stainless, it all matches. Getting a lot of stuff done, just bringing it in as fast as we can. Let's go get the bed. We built all of this at home and tested it all out, and then we put the sheets on the bed and like kind of ruined them on the way up here. We kind of planned on that happening, and we'd have to take these off, take them back home and clean them. But Eric built this bed frame from scratch out of all like cabinet lumber. Take a look at that. Take a look at that bed. How clean is that? So this isn't finished yet. We're gonna take it back outside one more time. We're gonna paint it blue to match the lights. So it'll be the perfect accent. We've got cabinet blue coming, and then the nightstands will kind of probably be white, something like that, and it'll all work out. So,
oh yeah, nectar.
We did just pick up a bunch of king pillows. I figured 2's enough. I don't know why you'd ever want more than that, but Eric said that we needed 4 of them.
I have a fat head.
So we've got 4 king pillows and some pillowcases, all that good stuff. None of it matches right now. It's all gonna match very soon.
What about this kitchen table?
I like that kitchen table. That's highly stylish.
Nice table.
This is going in Eric's camper after we use it for a week. So that's what's going on with the weird table. Anyway, we're almost done moving in. Now we gotta get everything out of that corner over there and move in the last couple things. And there's more groceries in the truck.
I was like, oh no.
Yeah, it's not a kid's table, it lifts up. That one's only for the children.
Horrible mistake.
It was $45 for a reason. Only kids sit at it. All right, these are our temporary kitchen cabinets right here. Thought I was just gonna rip it off. We got our microwave. Let's get this on. Oh wow, there's extra stuff in this microwave. Check that out. What are you supposed to do with all this stuff? I assume you just hit go immediately and see what happens. It'll go away on its own. Alright. Do what?
Light it up.
That lighted up.
What is that?
Pasta box. That doesn't even make sense.
Well, we got a pasta box.
Wait, you actually, this is really a container? It's not like a joke?
That's what you get when you go to Sam's.
Ooh, we did go to Sam's. That's balling right there. We really went above and beyond. All right.
Are we telling them that we're actually not doing kitchen cabinets and this is just the layout?
This is actually it. Because people said that they really like the cabin feel.
Yeah.
If you do this is a true cabin feel.
Minimal.
Minimalistic. Yeah. Money saving. Great looking. It looks like a nice chlorine countertop.
Yeah, good. Lifetime warranty.
Yeah, buddy.
I think I just made that up. Let me take it.
I mean, you figure if the company's named Lifetime, it better have a lifetime warranty.
I'm with you.
Yeah. I don't see how else it could work. All right, that should be the last of our worries here. Plug this bad boy in and fire comes out. Oh,
Boom, numbers.
yeah, look at that. We got a clock now too.
Straight A's.
High class, high class. Peel off protective film before operating.
No, don't do it.
Can we leave it?
No. It just melts into it.
I'm just kidding. That's it. Microwave these chips, and then we can tell ourselves.
Well, they say baked, you gotta put it in the oven.
My bad.
Come on,
I
man.
would have got that one wrong.
No, that's not where the oven's going, but right now that's where it's sitting.
That's right.
But this is all the appliances that are going in the house. The fridge will roughly go there. The microwave will go on either the countertop or some shelves that'll go in there. The oven will be flipped around the other, facing the other way in the island. It'll be like here-ish.
I mean, we are doing like a toaster, coffee maker. You gotta have all the little amenities, but
Yeah.
this is as good as it gets for the big stuff.
Our space is so limited,
It is.
and if we went any bigger,
Oh, we would have been in trouble if we did a 36 fridge.
we probably shouldn't even went this big, but we wanted a proper fridge.
We really had to do that. There's more protective film. It says PF. I think it knows that there's a film over the buttons. Anyway, yeah, cabinets will wrap all the way around here. Sink right here. It's all gonna work out. It might be a little cramped, but it's all we could do. We made it work. All right, the arcade machine is here too. I don't know if I ever mentioned this or if it was just a surprise. I bought this just for this house quite a while ago. And it came out of the arcade in Wichita. I got a crazy deal on it. And it turns out these things, the last one I saw sell on eBay went for like $3,000. And I feel like this is the most perfect thing you could have at the lake. A game called tubing where you go tubing down a river. So we're plugging this thing in. It's already set to free play. Fan sounds wild. It's LCD swapped. You can see the Dell Ultra Sharp monitor in there. Oh, all that noise. I didn't even realize. This has a motor in here that's spinning to make it look like there's water coming down. How cool is that? She's pretty loud. So we're gonna put this on like a HomeKit remote controlled outlet so we can turn it on and off because it is kind of loud. All right, here we go. How do you play this game? Credits to 1 or 2 players. Back paddle, forward paddle. It's been a minute since I played this. Oh, I got stuck. To the class 2. Oh, don't hit that. Ah. Down the waterfall we go. We tubing. Oh, don't hit that. I'm being dumb. Back paddle, back paddle, back paddle, side paddle, back paddle. So this is a kind of an infinite scroller. I'm getting all the points. I'm sure beating the computer. Oh, he got 1,000. And then I got wiped out. This game is so much fun. Hopefully we can play this soundtrack on video. I don't know if we can. Oh, did I died. But I was way ahead of him, right? I was. Okay. Anyway, 2-player. It's set to free play. We'll probably put some new T-molding on this thing. I wish there was a button to shut the volume off real quick. Oh, we don't have a key. We need a key. The volume's probably in here. So, that's all we're missing is a key so we can open this and turn it down. Look at that. It was licensed. It's licensed up to May 31st next year. So, totally set up. I gotta shut this off. All right, guys, check it out. It's starting to look pretty housey. We don't even have kitchen cabinets yet. Except, I mean, the motorcycle, it's iffy. It might just stay. It looks really good under the TV. Yeah. Like, that's a good look right there. You got a nice TV, arcade machine, Honda.
We put extra blocking in that wall.
To hold the bike?
So we could probably hold the bike, like...
Yeah, we could do a wall mount.
Yeah.
I agree. I like it.
I gotta hold.
Anyway, this is, it's working out. Tomorrow, we'll knock out some more projects. And we threw that junk shower curtain in here real quick. We spent all of, I think it was $17. And obviously we have to use the shower tomorrow, but we're not done yet because I needed a little bit of caulking on that ring right there, then I can tighten it down. And then we'll put the shower head on. And I also brought my step bits so I can drill this out properly. And we'll put the wand in and the shower will be finished. That's gonna be awesome. So we're ready to use that thing tomorrow. I mean, we could use it tonight, but I need to put Teflon tape and the head on and all that fun stuff. All right, guys, now we've got a little bit of sunlight. We are back and ready to get to work. Today, we've got a lot of little stuff to knock out, like the septic. I don't know if that's little stuff or not, but basically this has been the fight of our lives. And they started this, they put in our new tank basically the week we got the house, and we were like, we need this done quickly. And here we are, you know, almost wintertime, and they're finally putting this thing in. That has been crazy. It should have been done a long time ago, but there was so much back and forth, so much time waiting for the soil testing and stuff like that. And then the soil testing guy couldn't dig his own holes in the ground, so we had to have the septic guys come back out and dig holes for the soil test guy to go back to come back here after he tried to dig. It was just crazy, but hopefully today it's finally gonna be done. You know, we thought it was gonna be done when the tank was done. We were like, yeah, they'll be back in 2 days to finish it up. Didn't happen. So today we should finally get our lateral lines. They're setting all these boxes, like way out there is a huge field. But that's about to be done, and we are getting started by finishing up these railings. So let's get to it. One side done and ready for some touch-up paint. We did have to touch up all the rest of them after the centers went on, because you have to kind of walk them on, and it does really tear a lot of the paint off. So we'll do some touch-up over there, and these ones are ready to go in as well. So on to the next one. And the porch will be done minus the lights. We're almost at the finish line. Eric and I have been working on tying up loose ends all day long, and the septic guys are getting some work done out here. Let's take a look at this insanity. They dug the entire backyard out. So these are our lateral lines, which are actually infiltrators, and there is just an insane amount. I mean, 200 foot of them or something like that. You can see that they actually run all the way down and out. We think this system is gonna have like 8 times the capacity it was ever needing to have, because it's only a 1,000-gallon tank if I remember right, and a single toilet system. It's crazy. So they're out there working, and here in the next few minutes, it looks like they'll be wrapping up and making our final connection to the tank. And Eric and I just went and picked up a toilet too, finished up a couple other little plumbing things we had to do, and we're gonna set the toilet and we're gonna be able to use the house. How awesome is that? So we mounted the flange finally, screwed that into the new floor, got everything going. We're doing some more testing in the shower. I mean, so far, we're getting there. So a few more minutes and we should be able to turn on the water for real. Well, start using it for real at least. We got the new toilet all unpacked, and we've got everything ready to go. Look at that, it's got the nice, yeah, the fluid master valve in there and everything. Can't beat that. And we just dropped it on here. Eric's getting it positioned. I think we're done, really. Yeah, we should be, yeah, all wrapped up.
Good enough.
Set the bowl on it.
No, this is modern.
Yeah, you just pour water in when you're done.
Yeah, 5-gallon bucket.
It's right there.
Yeah.
You fill it up.
Yeah.
It saves you time, honestly.
Yeah, I mean.
Does it?
It's ridiculous.
We just got our valve terminated on there. We got a little angle stop, which we should probably close. Ooh. The fun part about PEX A is that the angle stop can turn still. All right, our valve's closed. We're ready for our tank. Eric's throwing the seal on the tank there, and we're ready to bolt it together. In the backyard here, the septic system is still not done. It's very close, but it's not done. I think they got everything back there all wrapped up, and then here, they still have a little left to do, and here is their connection back to the actual septic tank. So it's not there yet, but soon this will all work. We were planning on being able to use our bathroom today, but that's not happening. At least we can test it. The tank has at least probably 500 gallons of capacity. All right, guys, you can actually stay up here now. Well, sort of, tomorrow when the septic's done. Are they coming back on a Sunday? How crazy is that? Anyway, the toilet, full of water, holding, you know, quick leak check. And we didn't have a line to hook it up, so we'll get that on the next time. But all we gotta do is hook the valve up to the bottom of the toilet and we're good to go. Shower, leak tested just now. We ran a ton of water through it. We got hot water, it's working great. And you got an arcade machine, you got transportation, you got a TV. We are close. So hopefully on the next trip, we're bringing cabinets back up and we're putting in our sink, hooking up the last couple water lines to that, and putting our oven in too. It's really, really close. So the deck is finally done minus the lights. The lights showed up today, unfortunately. We were waiting on those for a while. And of course, once we were all the way up here at the lake, they showed up. We do have this. We can finally use our over the sink light. Before we were running that on an extension cord, now it's all actually hooked up and we've got our power out here for our lights and we're ready to just string the lights back and forth and call this finished, completely finished. Well, it doesn't look like we got a lot done, but I promise you guys we did get a lot of stuff finished up here today. All the rest of the infrastructure bits, just everything we needed to stay up here, not to mention all the appliances, which was a huge plus. And they do match, they're Whirlpool. Except for the microwave, it was hard to find a Whirlpool microwave that wasn't gigantic. And we didn't want gigantic because we don't have that much space. So we're working with what we have. Once this oven's over here, it'll be a lot better in here. So that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop WatchJRGo.com for cool shirts, not like this. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. And I will talk to you next time. All right, now we just got to grab all the bags and roll.
Yeah, quit.
Quit what?
I quit.
Oh, you quit? Yeah, I get it. What does this mean? What does hot air down, cold air on bottom? Do you flip it and it changes the way the heat goes?
Maybe.
It's also got phase change material. This is real fancy. Forever warranty. That's exactly what we needed too. I'm glad you got that one.
You're welcome.
Yeah.